Mwezi Oktoba mwaka 2020, taarifa ziligonga vyombo vya habari na kuwaacha wengi wakizungumza, hasa wambea kupitia mitandao ya kijamii baada ya mwigizaji na mcheza filamu nchini Kenya na pia mwimbaji Pascal Tokodi kuweza kumuoa mpenzi wake wa muda Grace Ekirapa, ambaye pia alikuwa mfanyakazi katika runinga ya NTV akiwa pia ni mwimbaji kama Pascal Tokodi. Wawili hao wakafunga pingu za maisha na baada ya muda mfupi wakajaliwa kumpata mwanao wa kwanza ambaye ni binti wa kike. Harusi yao ilichapishwa na kuongelewa sana kwenye mitandao ya kijamii. Ila leo taarifa zinazotufikia katika meza yetu ya habari ni ya kwamba wawili hao wamepata kutengana. Kisa na maana ya wao kutengana ni hii hapa. Months after we exclusively detailed how celebrated thespians Philip Karanja and Kate actress marriage and crumbled, forcing them to come out to clear the air announcing their divorce, ambayo ilikuwa ni siku chache na miezi chache ambayo imepita. Now, yet again another celebrity marriage slump. News have it and can now authoritatively report that actor and singer Pascal Tokodi and former NTV's crossover host Grace Ekirapa live apart and have currently separated. The once happy couple, who quietly got married in October 2020 in an exclusive invite-only ceremony, has faced a long stretch of difficulties. The breaking point came in November 2023. A close insider present at the confidential wedding and privy to their lives disclosed that the strain of maintaining a lavish lifestyle on limited resources played a role in their breakup. Tokodi was the primary breadwinner, while Ekirapa was a stay-at-home wife and mom. Privately, the couple faces challenges despite their well-curated social media posts showcasing a seemingly flawless marriage. Pascal and Grace haven't been living together for 2 months now. They parted ways last November. Pascal moved back to Karen, where he had been living before they met, and Grace remained in Limuru, where they had been living together. The source told one of the media houses in the country. According to the source, the fact that led to their marriage collapsing was due to financial constraints. Now, quoting this, ever since he married Grace, she has always had an issue with Pascal's friends. I was one of the friends who cut links with them. We just started talking the other day, and the majority of people he used to associate with as well. She even didn't want him to do the King Kaka collab, arguing that they were exploiting him, the source claimed. Neither of them owned a car when they got married. The insider suggests that being a celebrity couple, they deemed it essential to invest in a set of wheels. Pascal and I are super close, and what he said to me is he preferred to buy a cheaper whip, preferably a Demio to begin life with, but Grace advised they got a much bigger machine. That's how Pascal took a loan and purchased the Mazda CX-5 at 1.9 million that you might have seen him cruise around with. He is still servicing the car loan. Now, the couple first lived in Kitengela and at some point invested thousands to renovate the rental house to meet their standards. After some time, they decided to change residence and move to Limuru, where the house was renovated again. Grace grew tired of living in Kitengela and suggested they move to Limuru because she wanted to be close to her sisters. They would again renovate the house. Remember, Pascal is one footing all these bills because Grace is technically not working right now, but she's an artist. Throughout their marriage, the pressure has always been for Pascal to maintain their expensive lifestyle. Now, kulingana na huyu ambaye amechapisha article hii ambayo imechapishwa ndani ya Nairobi News, inatuarifu kwamba Pascal Tokodi pamoja na mpenzi wake Grace Ekirapa wamepata kutengana, na kulingana na article hii ambayo pia imepata kuwa shared na NTV, ni thibitisho tosha kwamba Something is not right with the marriage of Pascal Tokodi and Grace Ekirapa. Ni kana kwamba kitumbua kimeingia mchanga, because right now it seems they are living separately. What do you have to say in regards to this? Achia comment yako kwenye comment section, tuungane katika video zetu zijazo. Hii ni FM Show KE. See you in the next one.